Today's project, we're going to clean the awning on our motorhome. We've read a lot of good reviews about this Mr. Clean magic eraser mop. It's supposed to do the trick. So Steve has the motorhome out and he started wetting down the underside of the awning with hot water. We're not too dirty, but we wanted to try it and see what it works, or how it works. He's using hot water, which I think will help, and we'll see how this thing progresses. Okay, here it goes. I don't know, scrub it, I guess. Wow, look at that. Holy cow, it takes it right off. We get about halfway, let's rinse it clear, and then we can do a before and after shot. How's that sound? Okay. Oh, get underneath maybe to get a little better picture without the sun's glare. Ah, I just got watered on. Good thing the GoPro's waterproof. I'm not.
Well, it's so sweet.
Well, it's all over my glasses. Now I can't see. Okay, he has half of it scrubbed, which only took just a few minutes. And now he's going to spray it off so we can see the difference. This time I'll stay out of the way. So here's the clean side, and here's the dirty side. What a difference, holy cow. Just going over a couple little spots. You can flip the mop around and the other side has a little scrub brush. Show how that works here. You can get the little spots that way. This is a Mr. Clean magic eraser mop with the roller. And I guess you can buy just the head for it if you want to, and put it on a regular roller mop if you already have one. We got this at Ace Hardware for, what was it, Steve? Around 20 bucks? Yeah, on Amazon it was like 40 something. So some of the Dollar Generals, no, Family Dollars also had them, but not in our area. So we got it from Ace Hardware in Menominee, Michigan. Now to do the upper side of the awning, he needs to just roll it in a little bit at a time and scrub back and forth on the railing, on the roller. Now it's time for the top side. We rolled it up a little bit where he had already scrubbed, and now he's doing the next section. He could do it a little bit at the time, just using the roller to scrub against, but this way he's getting about 2 or 3 feet worth each time before we roll it. Yeah, if you don't have a ladder, you could just roll it a section at a time and stand on the ground and just scrub against the roller. You can use the little scrub brush end for any little stubborn spots as he's rolling it up. I'm in charge of the button down here.
Okay, roll a little more.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
So that's my contribution to this project. You just work section by section across the roller, back and forth. Gives them a firm surface to scrub against this way. Rinsing it each time. Of course, when we're done, we'll roll it all the way out for a final rinse and let it dry. And now for the final results. Squeaky clean. Steve gave it a good rinse off after all his scrubbing. So what is your professional opinion of using the roller mop from Mr. Clean Magic Eraser?
I worked too hard because I wore off a spot.
Oh my goodness, you rubbed it right down.
Rubbed it right through.
Oh my goodness.
Getting all the dirty spots off.
Well, we can buy replacement roller heads. So if we do this once or twice a year, that one's probably good for another go around, huh?
Maybe.
Considering that we haven't scrubbed this in a whole year. Good job, dear.